Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Want to set up a smooth checkout process on your WooCommerce store? In this video we'll walk you throughout creating a checkout page step by step from setup to customization. We've got you all covered. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first of all guys, we need to own a WooCommerce WordPress store. So go to WooCommerce as you can see right here, then click on get started, and as you can see here, I'm just gonna simply choose a host for new store here, recommendation for WooCommerce stores. Let's go with something simple. Let me just first go to log in so I can log into my account, and there we go, sign in as TT Lori. This is perfect, and I have here an account already made, so this is gonna make our work much more faster. So here I'm going to my stores, and right through here I'm going to click on this first store. Something unexpected happened. Well, access this website looks like it doesn't have been active for a while. Let's check the other one. Okay, both of them are not working, so connect to new store, enter the URL of the Woo store you'd like to connect. Let me just remove these first. So I would like to disconnect store, force disconnect, and here the same thing. So let's go here, disconnect store, and force disconnect. So once we have done that, click here and write anything. So let's go here, for example store.com, or anything that comes to mind, and you will be able to actually add your store. But normally here you should add your WooCommerce store you'd like to connect. Since we don't have any WooCommerce store here, we will have to go all the way around from this section, go to subscription, and get basically get your store ready to go. So here as you can see, I have to add my payments, and here as you can see there is the stores. So my stores have been deleted since I didn't really use them that much. So what you should do is simply go ahead and create new ones from zero. Now since we can't actually create new ones from zero and do anything like that, we need to do it from another part, which is from basically by creating a WordPress website. So go here, go to WordPress, and from this page as you can see guys, we can literally create go to plugins right through here and create search for WooCommerce, click right here and download WooCommerce for your WordPress websites. As you can see here, click on upgrade and activate throughout this button, and you will be able to add WooCommerce to your WordPress site. So guys, you need to understand that the WooCommerce store is not something that's really a store. WooCommerce is just a plugin within WordPress. So when we try to think about adding WooCommerce or having a WooCommerce store, we mean WordPress website with the plugin of WooCommerce. Now as you can see right here, this is the WooCommerce place, and start a new store simply by clicking here. Here you simply have to fulfill these informations, click on continue, countries, and etc, etc. Let's choose, for example, let me just remove this here, Morocco. Here let's choose, for example, yeah, something like that, and here 90k. This, I don't know why Morocco is not working for us. Okay, let's go. So what type of products will you be listing? So let's choose, for example, I would like to list physical products. So let's go here. How many products do you plan to display? 1 to 10, currently selling elsewhere. No, then click on continue. I would like my website to be like that, confirm. And yeah, this is basically it. So now you can add through here your plan or whatever you want. So here it is your site. This is your site. This is WordPress.com creator. So plan subscription per year, so you have to pay 300 per year. This is like a discount. Here you have to put your informations, and basically once you're done with that, you'll be able to actually buy and get your WooCommerce inside of your WordPress website. But as I said, you have to pay tons and tons of money, and there is nothing to do elsewhere, so you have to pay anyways. You can't really get it for free, and this is literally the only downside of having WooCommerce store is you have to pay a lot and a lot of money. So this is the actual bad thing. But now let's talk about editing the checkout page. So first of all, guys, you need to understand that once you have added WooCommerce to your store or basically to your WordPress website, the checkout page is going to be created by default. So you don't have to make some tool to actually create the checkout page. The checkout page will directly be created for you, and once you open your site, you will notice that there is inside of your website here on the top right corner, you'll find like there is the cart. So once you click on try to buy an item, it will be added to the cart, so it can take you to the checkout page. But this checkout page can be created, can be edited, and there is a lot of things that can be done to it. So here it is, some kind of things. Checkout page requirement. So set up a checkout page on WooCommerce, you will need a few key elements to ensure a successful transaction process. Firstly, WooCommerce automatically generates a checkout page upon installation, as we talked about. This is where users can view their order details and their shipping and billing information and make payments. Your checkout page should include billing shipping information, fields for customers to enter their personal details and address, order summary, a clear and concise summary of what the user is purchasing, payment options, integrated payment gateways to handle transactions smoothly, place order button, a bold place order button to submit the order, customer note, an optional field for customers to leave notes about their order. If you spend time creating an intuitive and well-organized checkout page, it will significantly reduce cart abandonment and increase your sales. Keep your design simple and user-friendly to guide your customers throughout a hassle-free purchase. And guys, one of the most key things that you have to actually focus on is the actual application form or the fields that the customer has to fill. Make sure to make it as simple as it should be. Don't make it complicated. You should simply take their name, phone number, email, and address for delivery. You shouldn't ask them for date of birth, city, posts, I don't know, work, if they are married or not. You don't really care about these informations because you are selling a product. You just simply have to ship the product, so you just need the information for you to ship that specific product. So you will need also their phone number, so you can confirm with them that they want that product. That's it. That's all you need to do. So once you're done with this part, you have to customize the checkout page. And what are the benefits of customizing that page? It will enhance user experience. It will increase conversion rates. It will have brand consistency. It will give you also upsell and cross-sell opportunities. By customizing your checkout, you can strategically place products recommendations or offers, increasing the average order value. You will have better data collection and reduce the checkout time. And yeah guys, this is basically it for today's video. Thank you a lot and see you guys in the next tutorial.